everybody, it's me. So, long story short, we're headed off to do a urinal drain at my uncle's work right here in Nashua. So stay tuned and I hope to see you at the end of the video. Thanks. Oh, these are the ones that...
Yeah.
I think Bob did one of these ones.
You did the one upstairs.
Okay. So right above this one,
Yeah.
right? Yeah.
Yeah. Identically the same spot right above us. Identically the same setup.
So, I'm not gonna lie to you, the way that he did it, he pulled off one of the nuts, because it was this one. He pulled off the nut from the bottom and used the the little cable. And that's how he got it to flush upstairs.
So you got a trap on?
It looks like it, but...
On the bottom?
Right. There's nuts on the bottom here. So, we can do it that way instead of pulling it.
Yeah.
At least try it that way first.
Yeah.
It's gonna be right in the trap, isn't it?
Probably. Nothing's coming out of it.
Yummy.
Yummy.
Smells like he tried to pour something in it too. Yeah, if you just want to try to get that plug back in, I can clean up better.
I want to put
We got it draining up here. So, we actually only had to go through one urinal, the urinal that we picked to go through. It was so blocked up in the trap that the other one couldn't backflow into it. So,
That's the vibe.
my drink's still cold, so we made money.
Yep.
Alrighty, everyone. That does it for that one. Wish us luck on the next one, and make sure to like the videos. Thanks!